Hello, how's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a good weekend. Me and my family, we went to a trip to Illinois for some amazing deep dish over at Giordano's. This video was actually filmed before we went to our trip. Went to a park that was nearby and just had a big, huge open field, so I decided to fly around and see what we could see. I'll include a snapshot or two of what it looked like up there and the altitude and how high I was able to take it, how far away I was able to take it as well. Hope you enjoy and have a good day. Bringing the drone down because my kids were wanting to see the drone up close instead of where they could barely see it, 400 feet away. So I brought it down a little bit. It was a little windy up there, and the higher you got, the more the wind was pushing the drone a little bit left and right. Not much, but it was fighting really hard to stay in one spot. Kids just wanted to see it fly around them, so I did a couple of videos of them, which I won't show, but they had some fun, running around with it and playing around with it. So I was able to use the same battery for these two clips. I flew around with the kids for about 12 minutes or so. It was a great battery, able to keep a charge for multiple flights and landings and return trips. Great duration. As you can see in both videos, I'm not sure if it shows the battery charge level at the top corner, but I'll look at it again and see if it does. as you can see here, you see me bringing it down here for landing. You can actually see me in the background there. And I definitely hope everyone enjoyed the video, and definitely don't forget to like the video, share it if you can, if you'd like to. Definitely subscribe, and I'll keep uploading more and more videos. Thank you and have a good day.